Hi, my name is Akshay Kaushik. I am a Delhi-based practicing lawyer. Today I'll be talking about a case in which I succeeded even without going to the court, primarily because the opposite party was totally ignorant of the law of limitation. Let me tell you, the matter came to me few years ago where a party wanted to recover a sum of rupees, I guess 8 or 10 lakhs. And unfortunately, the limitation period in that particular case was also expired, which means the party was not able to file the case in the court as well. Now, before proceeding further, I would like to inform you that law of limitation prescribes or sets out a limit for filing a case in the court. For example, if you want to file a money recovery suit, the limitation period for filing this at particular case is 3 years. If you will file the case after the lapse of 3 years, you will not be able to file that because law of limitation refrain you from doing so. And it is not in the cases of money recovery. In every case, for example, you have filed a case of property dispute and you have won the case from the court. Now the execution of that particular property dispute can be done within that span of 12 years. If you file the execution of the same after the lapse of 12 years, you will not be able to execute the property and you will not be able to execute that particular order in your favor. So that is a law of limitation which prescribes or sets out a limitation foundation in every case. Now coming back to the matter in hand, when the case came to me, I had to explain to the client that you have a very feeble case and there are very less chances if we go to the court that your case even gets admitted by the court because your case is already time barred. And if we somehow manage to file the case in the court, there are 100% chances that your case will get dismissed by the judge on the very first date. So what we can do is we can send a legal demand notice to the opposite party and let's see what opposite party will respond, and then we will proceed accordingly. He agreed and I sent a legal demand notice to the opposite party, and luckily the opposite party admitted the liability of almost, I guess, 7 lakh rupees out of 8 lakhs. And then the things turned out in our favor and we got somehow the client in our office and able to settle the matter.